How to restart OnePlus phone without power button. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there is an application called Power Menu which you will have to install in order to be able to use power menu buttons without having to use power buttons. So simply install it from your Play Store. After that, go to settings and then search for Power Menu application. Open the application and then go to Open Power Menu. Now your power menu will pop up. Simply all you have to do is tap on restart, double tap it and your phone will be restarted. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.